Welcome back. Voice of Students, an organization formed by the photocopies price hike affected students, have demanded that photocopy shop owners in Ponda and Quepem should roll back the price hike. Students claim that shop owners from Ponda and Quepem are charging exorbitant rate while rest of Goa is on previous scale. Voice of Students have said that they will reveal their plan of action at the right time if Xerox owners do not roll back the hike.
Xerox Owners Association म्हणून कितें फॉर्म केला. रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ले हे अशें आमच्या नजरान येवना. एक खंय तरी बेश्टेच ऑल गोवा झेरॉक्स ओनर्स असोसिएशन म्हणून तांणी फॉर्म केला. आनी तांणी 25 ते 30 जाणांनी झेरॉक्साचे रेट्यो 4 पटीने वाडयले. पयलीं भुरग्यांक लोकांक झेरॉक्स 50 पैशांनी आशिल्ले. ते तांणी 4 पटीने वाडोवन 2 रुपयार केले. आनी बारीक पळोवपाक गेल्यार हो प्रॉब्लेम फक्त फोंड्या तालुक्यान आनी केपें तालुक्यान आसा. गोंयचे मेजर सिटीज जशे मडगांव किंवा पणजे थंय अजुनूय 50 पैशांनी झेरॉक्स मारून मेळटा. कारण प्रत्येक भुरग्याच्या एग्जामी टायमार बंचाचे बंच झेरॉक्स असतात. जर हे 2 किंवा 3 रुपये केले जाल्यार झेरॉक्स मारपाकच भुरग्याचे 1 ते 1,500 रुपया वतले. सो आमचो सगळ्या भुरग्यांचो एक डिमांड आसा. सद्याक तरी तांणी हे प्रायस हायक करचो न्ही. भुरग्यांक तरी तांणी फक्त 50 पैशांनी झेरॉक्स मारून दिवचे. 2 रुपये गेले ते तांणी बेगीनचे बेगीन फाटी घेवन 50 पैशान ते झेरॉक्सचे पयलीं मारतले तशेंच कंटिन्यू दवरचे. कारण एग्जामी सामके लागीं पावल्यात. आमकां आशा आसा की ते बेगीनचे बेगीन हे रेट्स देंवयतले. कारण अजून ते गोंयभर पावना. फक्त फोंड्या आनी पयलीं म्हणटले फक्त फोंड्या आनी सावड्ड्याच आसा. जे फोंड्यान आनी सावड्ड्यान झेरॉक्स ओनर्स आसात ते आमकां दिसता ते आमकां समजून घेतले आनी बेगीनचे बेगीन ते रेट्स देंवयतले. जर रेट्स देवना जाल्यार फुडले स्टेप्स आमी इतके बेगीन आमचो ओपन करना. आमी टायम येतकीर तो ओपन करता.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
And now news from sports. NRB GSA Stars defeated table toppers Salgonka Sports Club to qualify for semi-finals from Group A and thereby knocking favourites Colombo Warriors out of Yes Bank GPL T20 tournament. On Saturday morning, Salgonka Sports Club will clash with Tempo Cricket Club, while Sarvodaya Royals will meet NRB GSA Stars in the second semi-finals at Porvorim.
Colombo Warriors had to win against RN Sports by a handsome margin to up their run rate. Meager 19-run victory was not enough for fancied Sri Lankans as NRB GSA had a better rate than the visitors. Batting first, a strokeful century by Dhananjay De Silva powered Colombo to 198 runs, while an equally good effort of 107 runs by Aditya Kaushik took RN Sports to 179 runs in reply. Dhananjaya was declared man of the match.
Balls and he receives the man of the match award once again. Dhananjaya, come up for a small chat. Congratulations once again. Your batting was outstanding.
Thank you. Like you said, this is the way I played, but this is the better side we met. Before last game we lost, but this is the better side.
Are you on the verge of playing international cricket for Sri Lanka?
Not that I played for Sri Lanka under 19 and the SLP, yes. So that's it.
So are you in the reckoning for the main Sri Lankan team? Are you somewhere knocking on their door?
Not yet, but I think they will think about me.
Salgaonkar Sports Club suffered their first defeat of the tournament as NRB GSA Stars won their second match to qualify for the semi-finals. Chasing a target of 145 runs, an unbeaten fifth wicket partnership of 79 runs between Robin D'Souza and captain Regan Pinto took NRB GSA to victory. Robin remained unbeaten on 57 runs and was named man of the match.
Tailor-made situation for you to come out and go bang bang.
Yeah, actually, it was pretty much tailor-made actually, but then we had to chase in like few overs to spare and stuff like that. But you know, yeah, good game overall. They bowled well, but it's just a day where you hit the ball and everything goes off the ground.
It was a must-win game for you guys, so you must be under pressure when you walked out to bat, because it was a crucial time for you and Regan to stitch together a partnership. So how did you go about it?
Yeah, it was quite a pressure situation, but then I mean, as the coach just told us, go and enjoy the game. I mean, even the management people just said this is just we are here to enjoy the game, so don't take any pressure. Just go and enjoy, express yourself. I mean, this is what you are, so be what you are. So I just did that.
Of late, your batting is coming up quite good, and are you enjoying your batting more than your bowling?
No, it's just two different departments actually. You know, sometimes you do well with the ball and fail with the bat, and sometimes it's the other way around.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.